How to turn off camera on TikTok Live. In this video, let's find out if you can turn off camera on TikTok Live. The first thing you want to do is open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to start live, you simply want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now, you want to switch to the live tab. Make sure your account has at least 1000 followers to unlock TikTok Live. Go ahead and add a title or thumbnail if you want. TikTok does not offer a built-in option to turn off your camera during live. As you can see, there's no option. To hide your camera feed, you can cover your camera with your hand or use tape or a physical cover. Then tap Go Live to start streaming. You can still chat and interact with your audience while the camera is physically blocked. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.